Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Zoho Report. Today is the 16th of April 2026, and this is episode 10, where we continue to bring you the latest updates from across the Zoho ecosystem. Zoho CRM now lets you design your own homepage using Canvas. It's the same drag and drop builder you might already be using for custom records and list views. You can pull together lots of components such as record list views, CRM reports, dashboard components, and even advanced components such as rich text, quick links, and even the combined open activities component that was previously exclusive to the classic view. If you've been following Zia Agents in Zoho CRM, there's a meaningful new deployment option worth noting about: Digital Employees. Previously, when you deployed a Zia agent in Zoho CRM, it worked through connections, which means any actions it took were logged under the user that authorized that connection, which made it difficult to separate the agent activity from human activity in your audit trail. Digital Employees change this. When you deploy an agent as a digital employee, it gets its own user account in Zoho CRM, which comes with its own profile permissions and role, just like any other team member. You do not need to purchase a user license to add a digital employee to your account. You only need to pay for the LLM usage, which, if you're using Zoho's model, is free up to 30 million tokens per month. There's also a new agent store where you can browse pre-configured agents that are ready to deploy with the instructions and tools already built in, which removes significant amount of setup work. It's worth noting that Zia agents are available for enterprise and above in the US and India data centers at the moment, and digital employees are only available in standalone CRM plans for now. So let's hope this comes to Zoho One soon. The Map Dependency feature has been around for a long time, but the configuration was very dated and frustrating to use. First, it now has its own tab in the module configuration view instead of being hidden in the layout settings. During setup, you can now select the child options easily by clicking them to add them as an option if the parent field is selected. Just note that this feature is in early access, so to enable it, please send an email to Zoho support and they'll enable it for your account. If you're using Zoho CRM For Everyone, connected records have received a useful expansion. Previously, connected records only worked with team modules and custom modules. Now you can associate standard organization modules such as deals, accounts, contacts. Alongside that, the module list is now split into two clear sections: configured modules, which are the ones that you have actively associated, and other modules. This makes it much easier to see at a glance what's connected and what isn't. This is available for all editions of Zoho CRM For Everyone, with a maximum of 30 module associations per module. This one is more relevant if you or your team build custom interfaces inside Zoho CRM. SlyteUI is a new component builder that has been rolled out in phases. It's trying to blend low-code simplicity with pro-code flexibility to let developers create embeddable components and interactive pages directly within Zoho CRM. It comes with 60 plus ready-to-use UI components and a built-in IDE for designing, previewing, and publishing. Importantly, components render directly inside CRM interface rather than through iframes, so they behave like native parts of the page. It's still early days, the documentation is still being built out and access is being rolled out in phases, so this one's more of a heads up for teams with CRM development needs, and it's worth keeping an eye on as it evolves. And that wraps up episode 10 of the Zoho Report. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to catch the next episode.